Going on, guys? Such a beautiful day here today in Cincinnati, Ohio. On my way to go to the gym, do a back workout, back and calves I think I'm doing today. Super beautiful day here. Weather is in like the 64, 65. It's already nice to clean up. So let's go ahead and head to the gym. So we're running super low on gas over here. So I'm gonna go ahead and stop in the next gas station I see. See one over there. Got to the gym right now. See the sign up there. So on the way here, I had this weight loss shake, chocolate. I like having one of these drinks right before my workout. I really feel like it helps me a lot with my endurance and my strength. I can lift more and I can hold it longer. Basically having like a carb slash protein drink right before the workout helps me a lot. This one specifically has 24 carbs. Focus. 24 carbs, 6 fat, and see over here 10 protein. So 190 calories total. Not too bad. I feel like it helps me a lot. And then I'm about to take one of these one scoop of ESP Extreme pre-workout. A buddy of mine from the gym gave me this, told me to try it out. He told me that it's super strong. So, and it is. It even comes with like two scoop sizes. I'll show you. So you can see over here, this is the scoop. That's the scoop over here. It has one small side, one large side. I normally take the small one because it's really strong. And I just took one right now, and I'm 100% sure I'm not going to be able to sleep tonight. So, and then for my, my aminos, I like taking this Anytime Energy from True Source, watermelon flavor. This also has a little bit of caffeine, so it's kind of like a pre-workout too. And 3 grams of amino acids. So I take this as my amino supplement. I usually take 2 scoops, mix it with water, and then drink it along my workouts. So while I'm working out, taking aminos also helps me out with getting through my workout and helping that protein synthesis. So we just got here. Let's go ahead and hop on to the commentary section of this video. What is going on, everyone? Welcome to the commentary section of this video. So to start my back workout, I usually start with foam roll in my back. Over here you see me doing foam roll on my lower back, middle back, and upper back, as well as my lats. This feels very, very good. It stretches the muscles in your back. Basically, foam rolling increases your blood flow in your muscles and creates better mobility. Also helps with your recovery and improving the performance of your workout. So give it a try whenever you're doing either back day, maybe shoulder day. I usually do it when I'm doing leg day too. I foam roll my hamstrings and my quads. I found out it helps me a lot with my performance, and then after I'm done with the workout, I don't feel as sore and as in pain as I normally would if I don't do it. Next, I'm doing over here a little bit of dynamic stretching. Benefits of doing dynamic stretching is that as opposed to static stretching, is that it actually boosts blood flow and activates the central nervous system, as opposed to static stretching, which does the opposite. It reduces the blood flow and decreases the central nervous system activity. Also relaxes your muscles, and that's not what you're actually looking for. So you're looking to basically excite your muscle, get it warmed up, get it hot, ready to dive into your workout. I normally do static stretching after my workout. Once I'm done, once I'm ready to go home or right before doing my cardio, I stretch a little bit just to uh, basically decrease the blood flow a little bit, stretch the muscle, make sure I don't have post workout injuries outside the gym. So over here, I basically stretch my shoulders, rotator cuffs, rear delts, side delts, and also my middle portion of the back. We see over here, I'm stretching a little bit of the rotator cuffs, left side and right side. You can find these bands almost in any gym. This one specifically have a little handle on at the ends. If not, you can find the regular colored bands and use that to stretch whatever muscle group you're working on that specific day. It also helps to do maybe a warm-up cardio on the either treadmill, stairmaster, elliptical machine, bicycle. I don't do this very often, but when I do, I usually do around 5 minutes. Very low intensity, just again, same purpose, trying to get the blood flow in the muscle, trying to get those get your muscles activated before your workout. First movement of the day was Deadstop barbell rows. You can see over here how I'm setting the bar in the floor after every rep. This helps basically reset the movement and minimize the momentum that you can get when you're doing regular rows. This basically minimizes cheating. So I reset the bar at the bottom, and then pull. Do an explosive pull towards the lower portion of your chest. Place your feet shoulder width apart and grip the bar. I usually grip the bar using a hook grip. Again, I grip a little bit wider than shoulder width apart, and then every rep should be an explosive movement. Next movement of the day was a lat pull down. As you can see over here, how I'm gripping the bar, not super wide but medium width, and I'm pulling the bar towards my upper chest and contracting my scapula. So my shoulder blades, basically contracting my shoulder blades and making sure I'm feeling the contraction in my lats. Next, I did a similar movement for the lats, which is rope lat pull down. Different variation. This helps to get basically a deeper pull, so you can get a deeper contraction on your lats. The next movement was a superset with the previous movement. This lat pull down machine, reverse pull down. It's something a little bit different. It involves a little bit more of your biceps. So you're probably going to be feeling a little bit of your biceps more. But again, same idea. Contract your lats. Focus on squeezing as hard as you can to get that full contraction. Next exercise was a single arm dumbbell row for targeting and isolating the lats. See over here how I'm squeezing at the top. I supersetted that exercise with a single arm cable row with a different hand position. Here my palm is facing down, basically to hit the middle portion of the back with a different angle. Squeeze. Remember to squeeze. That's going to be the key to your development. The next exercise was a dumbbell pullover Very, very good exercise for stretching your lats. As you can see, when I swing the dumbbell over my head, I'm getting a full stretch and then exploding up to get that full stretch. And I supersetted that with this shrug machine. One important thing about shrugs is that you need to hold at the top for about a second and squeeze it as hard as you can and get a full stretch going down. I finished my workout with some calf presses. I did here about 20, 25. Remember to do them slow and contract at the top, and then basically relax at the bottom. All right, so you just got done doing some cardio. Did 20 minutes in the Stairmaster. I usually do my cardio after my weight training. This session I burned around 200 calories, 20 minutes, going at a medium pace. So now it's time to go home, grab a meal, and take a shower. Maybe watch some Netflix and go to sleep. One note on cardio. Turn this light on. One note on cardio is I usually like doing my cardio after my weight training. That way, I'm exhausted. That way I utilize most of my nutrients and carbs and fats for my weight training. So I usually do weight training and then leave my cardio session for the end. So I don't get tired. I have that energy available to lift heavy as I can. And then towards the end of the workout, I do around 20-25 minutes of cardio. So that's the main reason I like to do it that way. Obviously, you do whatever you feel like doing. You can, people that does cardio in the morning, fasted cardio before your workout, after the workout. For me, I suggest, it works for me, and I suggest doing cardio after your workout. That way you spend your energy lifting weights instead of spending your energy doing a cardio, treadmill, Stairmaster, or whatever. Leave your cardio for the end. It's kind of late. It's 9:50 p.m. right now. So yeah, about to go home. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the next video. See you on the next one.